A few weeks after the Federal Executive Council approved Nigeria First policy of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in which the government said that it is going to prioritize buying made in Nigeria goods and services above any other goods in the world, which many had seen as being copied from the American first of President Donald Trump of the United States. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government have planned an elaborate trip to London to go and showcase the achievements of his administration, to change the perception of people around the world about his administration in the last 2 years. That is Nigeria's own brand of putting his country first. Shortly after, the government said that Nigeria First had become its policy. The government is going to spend billions of naira to travel with entourage delegations to go to London to go and highlight the achievements of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the last 2 years, because the world is not aware of it. So there is a need to convince them that Tinubu is working in Nigeria. Now, Bode Adeyemi, internal project coordinator of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu midterm legacy project review committee, announced this on Tuesday, that the events they are going to do in London seeks to reshape global perception of Nigeria's governance under Tinubu's leadership. In other words, they are telling us that the global community, that the world has negative perception of Tinubu's government. So they have to go to London to address an international press conference showcasing the achievements of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to convince them that Tinubu is working in Nigeria. First of all, by saying this, they have admitted that the world see their government as a government that has not performed. So they want to go out there in London to convince them that they have performed. If they were in London, in Washington, in Paris, and they have concluded that you are not working, what made you think that if you are working, they wouldn't have seen it, that you now have to go there to convince them that you are working? You want to show them the projects you have done. Is that how it's done? But let's go ahead and see the essence of the whole jamboree. Now, the press conference, international press conference, is expected to feature a high-profile delegation, including the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, and the Minister of Interior, Olubunmi Tunji-Ojo, among others. So the ministers are going to London to show the Londoners and the rest of the world what they have achieved under the Tinubu administration. Because those people, they don't have ambassadors in Nigeria that will tell them how the states of Nigeria, we have to go there to tell them that our government is working. Tinubu is working. Of course, when you embark on this kind of journey, unless you are among the beneficiaries, many Nigerians will pick hole with it. Among the civil society organizations that have kicked against it is the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, otherwise known as HUREWA. They has criticized the initiative, calling it an extravagant and tone-deaf public relations exercise amid worsening economic conditions in the country. The group also described it as a misuse of public funds and an attempt to whitewash the administration's performance, which is said has been marred by economic mismanagement, escalating insecurity across the country, and poor public service delivery. Now, if you are performing, do you need to go anywhere to go and convince them that you are performing? Your story will reach everywhere. In this era of new media, social media, if you are doing well, the world will know. You don't need to go to London to go and convince them that you are working. The news will spread that you are working. Look at what is happening in ordinary Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. Look at how everybody is talking about Burkina Faso president, the youngest president perhaps in the world today. What he is doing in Burkina Faso has spread all over the world. The young man didn't have to go to London to address a press conference or send any of his ministers or government officials to go to London or to go to Washington to convince them that he's working. But his actions have spread all over the world. His people are excited. Even people who are not from Burkina Faso are excited. Not since Thomas Sankara has Africa seen a leader like him. Yet, this young man didn't have to send any public relation person or people from Burkina Faso to tour around the world or to go to London to address a press conference or to go to Paris to address international press conference. Because your work will speak for you. In any case, the achievement that you said you have made, is it for the Londoners? Is it for the UK residents or for the Nigerian residents? If you have achieved so much, how many Nigerians have seen it? Is it not better for you to be at home and showcase what you have achieved? And if it is genuine, Nigerians will hail you. But what do we have? They are going to address international press conference in faraway London. What does that tell us? It shows us that these people are not serious. about the so-called Nigeria First policy, because you ought to have put Nigeria first to showcase them, to showcase your achievement. It is the same Nigerians that are going to vote for you if they approve of you that you have performed well. Is it those in London that will vote? The British, are they the ones that are going to vote for you? The people that will vote for you, that will assess you, whose assessment matter, is not those outside Nigeria. It is those who are passing through the present hardship, unprecedented hardship. They are the ones that you ought to convince that you are working, and not those who live in faraway places, who Nigeria is just like a drawing in a map. Nigeria didn't mean much to them. But the government argument is that they want to go and bring investors. They should go and look at how Trump has brought investment to the United States. How many did Tinubu brought into Nigeria? How many foreign investors did he bring? He had been touring even before he was sworn in. How many investors? Look at what Trump did. And Trump was the apostle of America First, which this administration has just copied, Nigeria First. But their first test of Nigeria First, they failed in the test. A test they gave to themselves that they are going to prioritize Nigeria First. But what did we say? It is now UK First, where they are going to address international press conference. I don't know what to think about this. What is your view on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration going to London to address international press conference to showcase the midterm achievements of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.